We're leaving the store now. Galing kami sa TJ Maxx. And we just had lunch at Portillo's. Okay. And it's a good, I like a Chicago hot dog, but we had beef sandwich, Italian beef sandwich, and sausage, but not a hot dog. It's really cold out. And I did a little shopping at TJ Maxx. You need a whisker. Why a risk? This is very cute. I saw this at TikTok. It's a foam wash. Hand soap wash. Flower shaped pump. See? Pag pinamp mo yan, you'll see in your hand it's a flower shape. That's pretty cool. I saw this at Korea TikTok. And then I bought strawberry shortcake PJ bottom only. Yeah. Large. And I got a underwear for on a sale. I got $2.99 discount, so it's only $10. And last but not least, I got a Centella Amplo for brightening. Daily skincare. Made in Korea. They said it's really good. I'll see and try. Siguro pag tumatagal, you don't have to. Oh, it's golden color. See? And what else did I got? We went to World Market too, and I bought a lot of good stuff. Yep, I found a good lychee and lime green tea. I'm gonna try it this afternoon. I'll let you know, but it must be good. It's made in, oh, where is that? UK. And I bought an espresso candy. Parang kopi ko. It's only $3. And a very nice teacup. And may flower. Spring flower. Double siya. So, made in hand wash only, not microwave safe. So you put, made in, of course, China. Made in China. China Inamo. And that's my haul for today. And we went to Walmart too. I saw a lot of clearance for Christmas, but I got a lot of Christmas stuff already, so I don't want any more. So, yun lang po for today. I just want to show you I got this at Lululemon. It's a 3-liter purse. It looks like Goyard. Looks like Goyard po, but it's not. Pero nung iniisip ko, meron ganito ang Tom Hilfiger. But it's Lululemon. I got this for $44. It used to be $98, so not bad. Pwede siyang mahabang string and a short string. And yeah, that's it for today. See you in a little while. Right. Just a continuation of my vlog for today. We're going home. We're done shopping. And my shopping buddy is not a good shopping buddy. Because he's not fun.
Thanks.
I know. Ayan na. It's my parol. Courtesy of my sister for Kuya. But I'm using it now. So, it's Christmas na. Tapos na. Mag-New Year na. And there you go. It's Tuesday today. I was off since last week, but I'll be back dami talaga. Nagpigil lang ako, but that's it. If you really want to shop, you go drop even your wallet. Yep. So, mga ka-vloggy, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Alright. Back with me again. I just said I went to Great Clips. A cheapy haircut, but it's not cheap, you know. Sa Pilipinas, ano to? 200 pesos, $2 lang. Or $4, I mean. Ito, 20 pa to, ha? Ay, no, hindi pa pantay. Gee, di ba? Kapag pumunta yung mga Pilipinong haircutters dito, naku, bigati na sila sa mga senior hairstylist. Pero at least natanggal na yung mga, I don't have split ends anyway. Yung mga ano lang, yung para humaba. I feel like 5 pounds lighter. See? Tamo meron pang mahaba, o, diba? So, manager pa yung nagupit yan, ha? What more yung ano? So, yun lang. Magbigay ka ng $5 tip. Masakit na sa loob. Diba? Punta kami doon 12:45. Lumabas kami alauna. So, 15 minutes parang ganun magupit. Oh. Kung ako lang magugupit dito, oh. Kung kita ko na yung sa likod, ako na nagupit eh. Yan ulit ang gupit ko simulat sa pool. Nung nandito yung kapatid ko, last May, she chopped it off onto here. And most of the time, ako lang yung nagugupit sa buhok. Yung pinuponytail mo siya sa likod, tapos i-chop mo siya sa front. Just to save the money. You don't wanna spend like, kung gusto mo talaga ng magandang haircut, you have to go to the nice salon. You'll spend maybe $100. And may tip pa yun. 20. Or yung, it's yung parang middle class na salon na 50, na $60. Meron dito, pero I never tried it. A long time ago, yung sa Avida. Yep, they're gonna shampoo your hair in blow dry and style and everything. Pero, ito hindi. Kaya hindi na nakikita kung merong exceso. Diba? Yung last salon ko pa na umuwi pa ako sa Pilipinas. Kayo pa mga ka-vloggy, ano ang inyong mga pet peeves sa buhok? So ako na lang minsan talaga nagugupit. Maybe siguro nito pag humaba maganda. Yun. Malamig. Walang magawa sa labas. Kaya pag day off, ang usually go-to place is grocery. Yan, bibili. Maghahanap ng sale. Yun lang ang mga... Next time, yun ang gagawin ko. Iba-vlog ko sa inyo. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pinupuntirya ko kapag may mga sale. At saka, yun lang. Buhay Amerika. Then, pasok ka. Diba? Yung mga ginagawa natin. Ano pa ba? Mahirap na masarap. Tahimik, walang magulo. Kaya the only time that makaka-relax ka pagkausap yung pamilya mo, mag-FaceTime kayo, Messenger, maghahagap ng chismis. Minsan nga mas marami yung manonood pa ako ng mga K-drama, ng YouTube na nakakatawa, mga Bex Battalion, Bex Squad. Yan, favorite ko. Tapos meron akong recently pinapanood yung si Jay Pinoy Vlogs, tsaka yung isa, yung Mom in Korea, Pinay Mom in Korea, tsaka si Ma'am Heidi. Naano ko lang sa kapatid ko na babae na yun din na pinapanood niya. Yun, para maubos tapos yung araw, matutulog ka na, papasok at kinabukasan, uuwi, magluluto. Yun, some kind of day na kaya, lalo na it's winter time, wala kang magawa sa labas. Hindi naman ako may makeup. Ang makeup ko lang lipstick, lip gloss, of course yung lip cheek. So yun ang mga hanap ko. Yun lang, paglalabas ako yan, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart. Once in a while I'll go sa sa iba't ibang lugar, umiikot, yung mga maliliit na, wala naman kasi malaking supermarket, or supermarket, mall, like sa MOA, no? Dati yun ang pinupunta niya ako everyday. I would go to the mall when I was still a rep. So now, hindi na. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Back to barracks. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang situation namin pagka winter. So, ang akin na haul na shopping. Isang malaking bag. Yeah, I locked it. So, uwi na ako. Ito yung ang bahay namin. So, I don't know. May snow. May snow. Yan. Diba? So, it's cold. So, andito na ako. So, we're home. It's another warm. Kaya hindi ka magkakasakit. Mainit, malamig. Lalabas, malamig, mainit. Something like that. So, okay. Ayun ang mga parol ko. Pasko. From the Philippines. Dala ng daughter ko. And then, when I first came sa Amerika, dala ko na yung parol na yan. Ayan. Parol sa Pampanga. So, alright. See you, vloggies. Bye-bye.